Usually I have something under the head, but I'm going to say I'm going to leave your head right there and have you scoot your hips towards me, so just scoot all the way over here. I just kind of help her, I don't lift her, a little more. Try and push me away from the table, a little more, I promise you won't fall. A little more of a scooch, okay? So I want a gluteal cleavage to kind of be right over the table, so I'm opening the sacrum basically down the middle. So put that down, nice deep inhale, I'm going to just drop your leg here. How we doing? Okay, and so she's not touching the ground, she's just about on the ground. So she has to pick her up, but I'm going to take my south foot, and I'm going to just cross her ankle, and I'm going to kind of give a little extra pull. Come under here. How we doing? I go kind of with the way the knee bends, and then from here, she's not going to fall, but now when I want to access all these muscles, I just have to do a little bit. So you can just see in her face what's going on. How we doing? This is like 3 pounds of pressure. Nice breath for me. It's very contracted, so I'm working on the stretch. Here I want to step in, so I'll do 3 fingers. I'll support them, and then my toes. I kind of come up with my toes and I drop. I don't push in because I'm gonna get tired, and I start to my hips, and I can go further on the table. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put my foot under her foot. I'll catch here. This costs you some. But now I can bring her up and I can start to work on the slack a bit and really get in. Nice breath. I might hold that for a while. If she wasn't challenged here, what I could do is I could bring her back up, roll her over a little bit, take a bolster, a little bit tighter. So I roll her over, come under. And again, when I pull her out of the bolster, I don't want to like just open the whole joint up. I kind of want to bring her body over the bolster first. So I'll maybe come under here, get something going. Feel a little more significant?
Feels good.
Yeah, and then I don't even need the foot over there. Now I can do all this work up here.
It feels more complete with the bolster.
And with her, I like this. I work this, and I'm working, you know, kind of transversely. I'm working. I got something going up here, so I'm working the body in a whole. I might work some stuff up here. I might do the face mush. You know, trying to get in deeper. I can rock in. You know, so it's just a nice way to get stuff done. When I'm done with that, I'll bring her back up. What I'm doing there is I'm just suggesting that the leg comes up. She's kind of doing the work. I don't want to lift it up. Do bicep curls all day. Then I'm gonna roll her away. Let this go. And then what I say is I'm going to have her scoot back so I don't lift her because I can get hurt. So I'm going to go back to center for me, and I just kind of give her a little pat and she goes back to center. Okay? It's a simple work. So try that out.